Hi, my name is Valarwati. I'm from Mizoram, India. I have been living with HIV for almost 20 years now. The whole world faced the same crisis due to COVID pandemic. I am so worried how a HIV positive like me can survive at the onset of the pandemic. Now I am vaccinated fully. I am so happy and relieved. Vaccination may not protect you fully, but it can reduce severe harm, which can save your life. Likewise, condom and syringe can prevent you from further harm. If your CD4 count is low, your viral load is high, if you're HIV/TB, please take the vaccine to protect yourself. Let's take COVID vaccination to be able to get back to normal life again. Take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Thank you. Coming to Valarwati ni HIV positive som ni don chu kalo ni ve to pathian phungai na zara tun tlengin pathian indam na shisel na min pe kalom hle ani COVID pandemic kan ma chon mek lain HIV positive te kan lunga yin kan mang ang emema nan na kai ma ti a soi kan ni china wang hian HIV positive tam tak ti chu kan ti phuk mayang ati in ngai to ana kan lo ne ani amai ro chu vaccine te alo om ta ka chuan vaccine te kan han la kan lom emema vaccine hi HIV positive te tan han la ka lo om reng lova kan CD4 count aniam bo le kan la kha lo ngai zo ka HIV positive to pho chan la vekilatin ashisel to lo HIV/TB HIV nei chunga cancer te ho khala hlei tu kan nia chuwa chan la vekila ka du hui chawani chuan dam le shisel ta ka covid zo to huwa po ART te kan la kho le dia theinan kawin veng chana lo fi pu ze lang che